Alright guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing the Sayo device. The device is right in here. So yeah. Alright, so I took it out the thing, and you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, yeah, this is how small it is. So, it's really nice. Yeah. Alright, so oh my goodness. Okay, why am I acting like? Anyways, guys, it's right here. It's in bubble wrap. It's in bubble. Can I please get it out? Thank you. Uh, Look at that. Oh, and it's black. Oh my gosh, dude, I love black. It's actually a really good color. And we got the cable, and we got a manual for it. This looks pretty good. Okay, why am I acting like this? Alright, so first we got the cable, but we do not need to worry about that now because we got the SayoDevice and it just looks so sexy. Here it is. This is a SayoDevice. The knob. And, it actually fits with my black setup. I'll show you right now. Dude, why are my feet? So we got a black Xbox controller and a black keyboard, a black mouse. Don't ask me why I put it on my keyboard. We got another mouse which is black and red. So yeah, yeah, guys, this looks really beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. But first, let's do a sound test. Okay, yeah, that's the sound test. If you guys know what that level was that was playing in my mind, go comment it. Please verify. But like, I'm gonna go ahead and try to set it up. Yeah. Okay, but before we set it up, I gotta pop these. Oh, okay, yeah, no. All right, guys, we're gonna pop him. All right, no, let me actually pop him. Actually, let me do it like this. ASMR. That was the worst ASMR I've ever heard in my life. But just take a listen. Okay, what am I doing? I'm not an ASMR artist, bro. Also, can we just acknowledge how long this thing is? Like, it's just so long. Dude, that sounded gay, bro. Okay, guys. So, I have an idea. Instead of doing the setup right now, don't be mad at me, but I'm gonna do it in February, cause like I genuinely just don't know what to post, cause I'm just like I have no ideas. So we're just gonna save the setup for later, maybe in like February. Okay, you're definitely gonna hate me for that. Anyways, guys, that was like the whole thing. This is this is the showcase. Look, I know it's not on, but like I'll try. Actually, I'm gonna turn it on right now. Oh my gosh, guys, this actually looks really nice, dude. So like it's actually connected to my phone, and like I'm gonna see if it does anything. Oh, wait, look at this. I'm barely even touching it. Look. Like it registers. Dude, this thing is nice, dude. Dude. This thing is very nice. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyways, that's how it looks like. Look at the LED. It's blue. Blue. Okay. Dude, why did I sing? Look, I get it. It's nostalgic. Something. Okay. Dude. Okay. Look. Don't hate me, but it just sounds corny. Okay. No, you definitely hated me for that. Okay. Just if you did hate me for that, then just look. It's just an opinion. Okay. It's just an opinion. But anyways, this actually looks really good. Thank you so much for watching. Actually, didn't I already set it up? This is actually, you know what? I'm gonna do some gameplay with it once I get a PC. Okay, so guys, when I turned the knob, it ended my recording. You know what? Maybe I should end it, cause like yeah, yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I almost dropped this, by the way. Yeah, yeah. Okay, but thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it. I'm just gonna go. So yeah. Okay, I genuinely just try to like drop my camera and end it like that. You know, I'm gonna just end the video. Oh my goodness.